In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number questions on Google Forms. Creating a Google form is a fantastic way to gather information, feedback, or responses from a group of people. Whether you're conducting a survey, quiz, or any form of assessment, clarity is key. One way to enhance clarity in your form is by numbering your questions, making them easier to reference and analyze. So let's get started on how to make your Google Forms even more efficient and organized by adding question numbers. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Begin by navigating to the Google Forms website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. To do this, click on the Sign In button, then enter your email address followed by clicking Next. Now it's time to enter your password. After typing it in, simply click on Sign In to access your Google Forms dashboard. Upon successful sign-in, you should be directed to your Google Forms homepage. Here you will find any forms you've previously created or have been shared with you. If you're planning to number questions on an existing form, go ahead and open that form. If you're starting a new form, create one now. Now let's get to the main task, numbering your questions. To do this, you need to click on the question you want to start with. At the beginning of this question, manually type the number followed by a period or a parenthesis, whichever you prefer for your numbering style. For example, 1 inch or 1. This is where you decide how you want your questions to be numbered throughout your form. After you have numbered your first question, simply proceed to the next question and add the consecutive number at the beginning of that question. Continue this process for all the questions in your form. It might seem a bit manual, but this method gives you complete control over the numbering, especially useful if you decide to rearrange the order of questions later, or if you need to insert new questions in between. Remember, consistency is key. Ensure that you place the number at the exact same spot for each question to maintain a uniform look throughout the form. This not only makes your form look more professional, but also helps in avoiding any confusion for the people filling out the form. While Google Forms doesn't currently offer an automatic way to number questions, this manual method is straightforward and effective. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to customize your numbering scheme to match the specific needs or style of your form. That's it, you now know how to number questions on your Google Forms. This simple step of adding numbers can greatly improve the organization and clarity of your forms, making it easier for both you and the respondents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Forms.